A supply chain engineer in the semiconductor industry is crucial in managing and optimizing the flow of materials and products. They are responsible for designing and implementing efficient supply chain processes, ensuring a seamless transition from raw materials to finished semiconductor products. This role involves close collaboration with suppliers, manufacturers, and customers to ensure timely delivery and high-quality standards. They also focus on cost reduction, risk management, and sustainability initiatives, adapting to the semiconductor sector's rapidly changing technology and market demands. Their primary responsibilities include analyzing and improving supply chain processes to enhance productivity and reduce costs. They also manage inventory, forecast demand, and ensure a consistent supply of materials. Supply chain engineers in this field must also manage relationships with suppliers and vendors, negotiate contracts, and ensure compliance with industry standards and regulations. They play a crucial role in crisis management, addressing supply chain disruptions promptly. Typically, a supply chain engineer in the semiconductor industry requires a bachelor's degree in supply chain management, industrial engineering, or a related field. Courses in logistics, operations management, and business analytics are highly beneficial. Many professionals also pursue advanced degrees like an MBA or a master's in supply chain management for career advancement. Knowledge of the semiconductor industry's unique challenges and regulatory environment is advantageous. Continuous learning through certifications, such as APICS Certified Supply Chain Professional, CSCP, can also be valuable in staying abreast of industry trends and best practices. This role demands a blend of technical and soft skills. Proficiency in supply chain management software, data analysis, and an understanding of lean manufacturing principles are crucial. Strong problem-solving skills and the ability to analyze complex supply networks are essential. Effective communication and negotiation skills are necessary for suppliers and internal stakeholders. Project management skills and the ability to work under pressure are also required. Familiarity with the specific technologies and processes used in semiconductor manufacturing is a plus. Career progression can lead to roles such as senior supply chain engineer, supply chain manager, or director of supply chain operations. With experience, professionals may move into strategic planning or consultancy roles, focusing on optimizing supply chain systems on a larger scale. Opportunities for specialization in global logistics, procurement, or sustainable supply chains are available. The evolving nature of the semiconductor industry, with its focus on innovation and efficiency, offers continuous learning and the potential for advancement into executive-level positions, such as Vice President of Supply Chain or Chief Supply Chain Officer.